Are you ready to see organizing magic transform before your very eyes? Well, if so, stay tuned. It's about to happen. Hey everyone, it's Cary from Cary Organizing, back with another video to organize a kitchen cabinet. But this is no regular kitchen cabinet. It's this cabinet. We organized it in this video, and we're going to be doing a makeover. In that video that we organized, we were showing how to maximize vertical space by putting in shelf risers so that you don't have, 5 bowls on top of 10 plates and you're trying to get all those plates and you have to move all the bowls. Now, you have little miniature risers between shelves. It helps you maximize the vertical space. It makes it much more accessible and user-friendly. But in that video, I intimated, I probably should go ahead and get some shelves made. And guess what? I got shelves made. I'm so excited. I just got back from the hardware store and we are gonna have 2 new shelves for this cabinet. It's gonna make it so beautiful, so user-friendly. I can't wait. So sit back and get ready to watch this organizing magic happen and the transformation take place before your very eyes. All right, all these dishes are sitting on my windowsill because I took the shelf end to be cut precisely to size to get 2 more shelves made. Now you can always just measure your shelves, call the hardware store, ask for them to cut that shelf, but I find it's easier to go in there and give them your shelf and they will cut something exactly to size. They also will know what side needs the tape on it, so that there's this edge banding that they call for your melamine shelves. So it might leave your kitchen in disarray for a day or 2, but the results are going to be so much worth it. So stay tuned. Okay, transformation's complete. What do you think? I'm excited about it. It goes to show you that adding just 2 shelves to a cabinet can totally make over its organization. I hope this has inspired you to do the same thing in your own homes, whether it's your kitchen, your bathroom, your closets. Adding a shelf or 2 can totally help you maximize that vertical space and make it more functional for you, more user-friendly, and of course, more beautiful. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. I look forward to that time. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you from my home to yours a very happy, organized day.